If you like shrimp, you should definitely make this salad at home. It's so delicious. So I will need a lot of boiled shrimp for this recipe, some grated carrots, some cucumbers. I grate all the carrots and cucumber and add it with the shrimp. And I'm gonna use a special type of seaweed in these videos. And make sure you put in a lot of fresh herbs. In my country, people often add roasted peanut on top of the salad. And for the sauce, you can use something spicy or sweet, but for me, I love spicy, so I'm gonna use a Korean spicy sauce in this video. I will mix everything until it's combined beautifully. Recently, I come up with a research saying that you should eat around 20 to 30 different vegetables in a week. Your body will be very healthy and strong. And sprinkle a little bit sesame on top. You can add some sugar, MSG, to make the flavor even better. So that is it. Now I have a beautiful plate of salad that I can enjoy, and the whole family gonna be very happy. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.